Let's talk about Flash, but before we get started, you are going to hear buzzsaws in the background, you're going to hear nail guns going off because everything's happening and I can't find a place that's quiet and I got to talk about this. So bear with me on some of that stuff. Flash is a program, been out there over a decade. The one thing I like is it's grown with the industry. So you might ask yourself this question again, and you always do when there's an upgrade. Do I need it? The answer is always going to be the same. What are you doing? Flash 5.5, Dreamweaver 5.5, InDesign 5.5, in my opinion. The primary reason why they brought these things out through a mid-cycle, no, not 6, it's 5.5, is because of all the changes in the industry dealing with output devices. How would you like to be able to develop an app, sell it on iTunes, and use Flash to make it happen? Hear the saw? I told you. How do you do that, Andy? What do I do? I'm telling you how you do it. You do it in Flash. You say, but Flash and Apple don't go along with each other. I've got things on my iPad and my iPhone, and I can't see them because they're in Flash. So you're telling me I can develop an app all the way through to it's $1.99, give me your money, and I can do that all in Flash? Yes, you can. There are some new features in 5.5 that if you're a Flash developer, if you can do things in Flash, you can now put them onto iPhones, iPads, Androids, just about anything you want. So these updates that I'm going to talk about, I'm talking over all the construction, these updates, I'm going to show you how you can do that. So if you know anything about Flash, if you're just here, I know the program, but I'm here to see if I like what I see and if I want to upgrade, and you're a person that wants to get into app development, you are going to make that upgrade. I almost promise, I almost guarantee that. So before we get drowned out again by something else, let's go ahead and stop. Let's go ahead and go back in the house and let's look at what's going on with Flash 5.5.